Greeting. This is Vivek Bakshi from EV Litho Inc. I'm happy to announce the publication of 2022 Source Workshop Proceedings. I hope you will get a moment to browse through there. We have recordings as well as PDFs of presentations. We had an excellent workshop this year, over 50 presentations, and we covered topics on EV sources for scanners, as well as EV sources for metrology tools. We have the latest data. We have also a good bit of information on modeling, spectroscopy, and this year we also held a session in the honor of Professor Akira Endo. We also had a session from Arcanel on their program showcase. So in addition to the looking at sources at 13.5, we also had a session on the BlueX to have sources at shorter wavelength at 6.7 nanometer or at wider window region. So I hope you'll get a chance to look at those. And next year, we're looking forward to seeing you in person in June for EVL workshop and supplier showcase, and in October for source workshop and ILT in Aachen, Germany. So until then, take care.